So this one is tougher than I would ask on a test, but I might feel comfortable. Actually, I'll take that back. This would be okay as a nasty multiple choice, this kind of difficulty. It says find the direction of motion and the acceleration. So there's no friction. This is a job for a free body diagram. So I'm going to have mg, pause, components, mg perpendicular, mg parallel, color, 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 color. I'm going to have normal force. Now, this 120, I'm going to have to break it up into components as well. And I'm going to break it up into parallel and perpendicular. So here is going to be F perpendicular. And this is going to be F parallel. Not my best diagram, but that's okay. Now, the tricky part is figuring out where I'm going to color. It looks kind of like there. And it is because I have a Z. We talked about Zs a little bit. So I know that this angle and this angle are the same. In other words, I can also go color, 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 color. Who's winning? I'm not sure, but the tug of war is between F parallel up the ramp and mg parallel down the ramp. So I'm going to quickly crunch those. Now mg parallel I got a shortcut for. mg 2 lines is sine. It's going to be 10 times 9.8 times the sine of 32. Unfortunately, my shortcut does not work for the 120. When I go, I should have done that on this calculator, sorry. G sine 32. Down the ramp, I have 51.9-ish newtons. Sorry, I put that in the wrong place. 51.9-ish newtons. Up the ramp, although this is parallel, if I look at my trig functions, F parallel here is A and H. It's cosine. This is going to be 120 cos theta. And if I go 120 cos 32, I get 101.8. So who's winning? Up the ramp. That's where the direction came from. And now I can do my equation. Who's winning? F parallel. Who's losing? mg parallel. What's that going to equal? ma. Divide by m. So A is going to be F parallel, which was 120 cosine 32, minus mg parallel, 10 times 9.8. I can use my trick there of 2 lines is sine, all over 10. Brackets around the top. 120 cos 32 minus 10 times 9.8 sine 32 divided by 10. And hopefully I get 4.98. Really should have written 4.98. 4.98 meters per second squared.